The Divi 5 Black Friday sale is now on, and I also have some bonuses if you purchase Divi using my affiliate link. Let's take a look and see what the bonuses are. So if you're brand new to Divi, they have a package here where you'll save 80%. So this is the Divi theme, Divi AI, Divi Cloud, Divi VIP, Divi Dash, Divi Teams, $50 credits, and Don Divi. So this package is ideal if you are freelancer or you're a design agency, because pretty much you have everything that you need. Now again, if you just want to purchase Divi, you can just purchase it here and you can save 25%. Further down here, if you want to purchase anything in the marketplace, you also have some discounts. I mean, take a look here. There's 80% that you can save. The ecosystem here as well, you save 80%. And this is if you're already a user and you'd like to enhance your bundles. Furthermore, you also have upgrades. So if you've already purchased Divi and you've realized that, you know what, I want to now go for the lifetime membership, which I highly recommend. This is what you go for. This lifetime upgrade. And again, 25% discount. Membership renewal, 25%. And there's a whole lot more. Now, as you scroll further down here, you'll see that these individual packages also have discounts. So if you purchase any of these using my affiliate link, you are going to get my bonuses. Now, my bonuses are very straightforward. I want you to start designing Divi without any of the headache of going through documentation or going through YouTube and so on and so forth. So I'm giving away my course. It's called the Divi 5 Mastery Course. Value, $97. This course will teach you everything you need to know about Divi 5. And as you know, this is brand new and it has a ton of features. So I cover pretty much everything in this course. Next, we have the starter site. So of course, you want to build your website super fast. I have this Initia starter site. Now this starter site is fantastic because it saves you time creating templates, adjusting fonts, and so on and so forth. And this value is $77. Now here's something that is even more powerful. If you purchase Divi using my affiliate link, you also get access to my Divi community. This is where you can come in, ask questions, have a discussion with like-minded people who also use Divi. So these are the bonuses that I'm giving if you purchase Divi using my affiliate link. Now, all you need to do is to head over to the link that I'll provide in the video description below, and you just have to tell me where you want me to send the bonuses. So once you enter your first name and email address, I will know exactly where to send you the bonuses. So all you need to do is once you've purchased it, just drop me an email and I will give you access to these bonuses. So by purchasing using my affiliate link, you don't lose anything, but it's a win-win all the way. You're helping me out and you're also getting my bonuses as well as the Divi bonuses. So go ahead and purchase Divi using my affiliate link. Again, I'll leave this in the video description below. Thank you so much for your support. Really appreciate it.